Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 7. Would like to present our small project about effects of light on rice weevil or Cytophilus oryzae. Firstly, we would like to introduce our team. The first one is me. My name is Setiyawan with student number 173. The next one is Coryn Adelina with student number 186. And the last one is Syifa Fairuz with student number 194. Okay, so introduction. Rice is a staple food for most Indonesian people. As with all the cereal grains, the bulk of rice mostly contains starch. Pests are animals that cause damage to crops and cause economic loss. They are not only found in the fields but also inside the stored crops warehouse. In general, there are several types of these pests include Tribolium, Cytophilus oryzae, Calocobrunches sinensis, and Cytophilus ziamas. But in this discussion, we would to discuss on the Cytophilus oryzae. And light is one of the factors that affect the behavior of insects and plants. In this discussion, we will discuss about the effects of light treatments, divided into three treatments. The first one is always dark, half dark and bright, and the third one is always bright on a rice weevil or Cytophilus oryzae.
Okay, rice refill. Rice refill is a warehouse pest that damage storage supplies, which is one harmful component, both in quantity and quality. Rice refill causes rice grains to become small holes, easily break, and crumble like flour, with its typical mouth shaped like a snout. This pest has four stadia of life, includes egg phase, larva, pupa, and imago. The stadia that causes damage to rice is the imago phase. They are known as the nocturnal pest, so they inhabit dark places, rather moist, and are often found among slightly damp bags. Next. Um, okay. We used three light treatments for the methods. The first one is always bright, and second one half dark and half bright. We place it near the window, and the last is always bright. And then we use 100 gram. Each treatments use 100 gram of rice, and then we place it into the containers. And then the last, we use 10 rice refills for the method. 5 of male and 5 female rice refills. Next.
Okay, this is the result and our discussion. We can look this, the parameter is always dark, half bright, and always bright. When parameter is always dark, we got 17 rice refills, half dark and half bright is 15, and always bright is 12. From our discussion, the best treatment is always dark treatment. When the rice refills in the always dark treatments, they can produce the highest number of rice weevil population. It's assumed that the nocturnal nature of the pets and the favorable condition would increase the rice weevil population. Based on the care and agrawal research, temperatures that tend to be low cause high mortality in pests, while temperatures that tend to be warm cause higher oviposition and survival from pests. Hassan also mentioned that condition at 50 to 70% humidity support the development of rice weevil. Next. Okay, this is our conclusion. Rice weevil is a warehouse pest that damages rice grains, then reduce its quantity and quality. Always drug treatment produce the highest number of rice weevil population. Rice weevils tend to live in the dark place, moistures, and low temperature. Okay, next. Okay, that's it from us. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.